Right now I'm going to show you how to connect the Garmin Zumo 660 cradle to the plate that's included with the purchase of the unit. So this is the cradle that connects to the back of the Zumo 660 motorcycle GPS, and this is the motorcycle mounting solution. There is also an automotive solution that comes with the unit, but this is the motorcycle one. It's the one with the cable that comes out for the power and headphone jacks and everything else. So this is the cradle, and you can see it has 4 holes here to match up to this ram mount plate that's also included with the Zumo, with the 4 holes as well. Then there's the hardware to mount it all together. So firstly, let's just take this unit, this cradle, and just flip it over to the back. What you've got to do is put these little black spaces into each of the holes on the back, and what that is, just goes into these rubber holes on the cradle. And so I'll push those 4 in there. 1, 2, there we go. Okay, that's the first step. It's usually a bit easier to do that at the start than later on. So now that they're in, you can see them all there. What we do is come back to the front, and what we have to do is take each one of these screws and a washer and push it through the 4 holes there. So I'll just real quickly do that. These little small washers. So what we're doing here is getting a ball onto the back of this cradle so that we can connect the rest of the ram mount that's included in the packaging. The ram mount solution has an arm and a base to connect to your handlebar. So there's the 4 screws, you can see that all pushed through there. Now what I want to do is connect this plate. The plate actually goes on not up long like that, it goes wide. So the wide holes, the hole pattern's the wide direction. So you push all those through, you can see there, they're all coming through. And then obviously you just tack on the bolt, the nuts on the end here. Then tighten them up once you've got them all on. So now that we have a ram ball on the end of this, we can connect it to the arm that's included. Now just as a side note, you can see that this is a black plate on a black cradle, so that's fine, but then there's also the arms, the arm and the base that comes with the unit, which is this here. They are also in black powder coating. You can actually get these 2 parts in chrome plating if you'd like. At this moment that's not available. This Ram B 347 plate is not available in chrome, but these 2 are. But to be totally honest, that probably doesn't need to be chrome because it's already on the back of the cradle that's black. But as I said, you can get these 2 parts here in chrome. This is the Ram-B-201-A, and this part here is the Ram-B-309-7, but you can purchase this as a Ram-B-309-1 in chrome. So now that you've got this on the back here, obviously you would tighten those up. You stick the ball on here, the arm on the ball, and then you put the base also on the arm, so that goes on there like so. Now you tighten that up, and now you can come off with this base off of your handlebar somehow, be it with the U-bolt that's included, or off of the reservoir of your handlebar reservoir, brake and clutch reservoir, and there you have it. That's how it all connects together. Very simple, very easy, and a great little mounting solution for your Garmin Zumo 660.